and its oversized eyes fixed on the submersible. For a fleeting moment, it seems to observe the camera. What meets us here feels entirely foreign, a world shaped by forces beyond our understanding. The ocean is a domain where creatures exist in ways that challenge everything we thought was possible. Each encounter offers not just a glimpse of the unknown, but a reminder of how much of this planet remains hidden. In these depths, every discovery is a small window into a reality that continues to elude us, vast and silent in its isolation.